I'm at the Jenners. Yeah, I'm not playing. I'm at the Jenners. There's nothing special with them. I'm telling you right now, there's nothing special with them. I got bored in the first 5 minutes. They told me everything that doesn't matter in a regular person's life. And I'm like, ooh, where are you going with this fake ass shit? And she go, ooh, this is what we do. This is how we make money, and this is how we get famous. This is how we got fame. Oh, I'm not into this shit. Leave me alone. I wanna go back to the real life where I can feel like my own. Talk about Kylie or Courtney or Kendall or Kim. They're all fake ass shit. Nothing special about them.